Confession is a planet which in its orbit has 4 moons, each on the 10th specific name. The first moon, the closest to this planet, is called Moment, and the most distant one is Impredictable. This planet is a constant balance where everything that defeats there is made of harmony, which makes it a very special planet. The gravity of the planet is 10.144 meter per second. Confession has a watercolor palette made up of 45% is saltwater, 45% fresh water, and 15 land. In addition to his, it has great vegetation. The vegetation of this place and varied the types of vegetation that were can find are. The vegetation is larger than what they normally see of planet 8. We saw out of types that have more nutrients for aquatic ecosystems. I added addition where not only see them here, we also see them is a terrestrial ecosystem. This Beijing the cause not only with is a plant but also with the resistance of the aquatic vegetation that reaches the land and contains great properties with Beijing online. The terrestrial vegetation of the place is the untouched ground, the inland, which has a large amount of nutrients that have not yet been using discovered thanks to large amount of oxygenation of planets. This planet shares with its own light, which is with is doesn't not need the sun or any of these lunar satellites. In addition to its altitude is a moon, it does not have any time. Where is a dark, we can say that and always keeps their entire planet daytime all time. This planet has large moons, is which they can secret wonders of thermal flux. All moons see that thermal forms with high temperatures predominant, but as increments the cold therefore predominant, which they take advantage of the moisture reserve and the abundance of rainfall. This planet has a large amount of the oxygenation, which makes of a natural, very beautiful, and makes of the 3 textures that thought we can see of outer planets. We see that the Monera prominence most in Toten, the planet, but we see in the 5 kingdoms of living, safe after. They are animal kingdom, vegetal kingdom, fusion kingdom, protist kingdom, kingdom Monera. Thank you.